Good day everybody, welcome once again to Flicker Brain. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys updates on the accounts I'm working on this month. So I'll show you guys what we have done in most of the accounts, and you see that we are pushing in huge traffic on all the sites we are working on. Okay, all right, so you can see on the screen what we have done so far on this particular AdSense account. This account, I don't think I've showed you guys this account this month. You can see what we have done so far on the account for this month, and you can see today so far what was generated on this account. Now over here you can see that the CPC for this account is quite high. You can tell from the amount of CPC you are seeing here. So this is with our method we work on this account, and you can even see how much page views that is entering this site. So you can see what we have done so far on this one, and also working on other sites. This one, the one I showed you guys on my last video on this channel, I showed you guys what we have done so far on this particular account. So this is an update on this account too. So you can see over here, you can see what we have done too on this particular account. You can see we have loaded 3K2 on this account, and you can see today so far what was done. You can even tell from here, you can see that this CPC for this account is even high. You can see that the CPC on this account is very good, and you can see the amount of page views that is entering the site. You can see the RPM, everything is going perfectly fine. Okay, so if you're interested in this system I work with, you can click on the link in the description box. You can reach out to me. And for accounts that are good, you can see this kind of accounts that have received huge payments in the past. If you have this kind of account that have received huge payments in the past, you can also bring the accounts for partnership, and we will work together and share some huge amount of money. If you also want to learn the method for yourself, you can actually click on the link in the description box to reach out to me for more inquiries, and we'll communicate more. See you guys in my next video, and stay safe, everyone.